What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online and make over $500 per week online. Now, the best thing about this particular method is it's free to start, but not only that, probably the most important thing is you can get paid into your PayPal account doing this particular method. I always get people asking me, Franklin, how can I get paid into my PayPal account? How can I make money online with PayPal? Well, I'm going to teach you how to do it. In this video, I found a method that works, but it's important that you watch this video all the way through, because if you don't, you're going to miss out important things that are going to help you make the money. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a secret little tip that's going to give you the competitive edge against anybody else trying to do this particular method. So what we're going to do now is jump into my computer and I'll show you exactly how you can make money with this particular method and how you can get paid into your PayPal account by doing this strategy. So let's go and get this done. All right, guys, so what can you expect from this video? I'm going to show you exactly how this works. I'm going to show you how to get started. And best of all, I know a lot of you guys love this. I'm going to show you how to get paid with PayPal. And if you don't have PayPal, don't worry. I'm going to show you some other ways to get paid as well. There are multiple options. This is free to start. And more importantly, I'm going to show you how this is a long-term passive income stream, which is really important because you want the money to last for a long time with doing minimal work. It's really important to find methods online that are truly passive income, and this works on a laptop. You can do this from anywhere in the world. So let's get started, guys. That's exactly what you can expect from this video. Now, what we're going to be doing, guys, is using a marketplace, a website called markethealth.com. Now, this website has really good reviews, 4 stars, 7 out of 10, 4 out of 5, and there's more reviews online. This is a very good website to make money from, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. And the best part about this website, it has a very good reputation. It's been around for years. I was making money from this website back 7 years ago, 6 years ago. It's been around for a long time. It's tested, it's proven to work, and it's proven to make money for a lot of people, hundreds and thousands of dollars, and you can get very high payouts from this particular website. Now, how high are the payouts? Very high. For some products, they start at $45 per sale. Some of them are $50, $60, all the way up to $70 per sale. So you don't need many sales to make $100 a day, $200 a day, $500 a week, $1,000 a week. It's very high commissions, and these guys will pay you $45, $50 per sale for these particular products, and that's why I love this marketplace. And a lot of you guys have probably never heard of that before, and it's got very good reviews and it works extremely well. Now, what I like to look for, guys, and this is actually from the website page, is I like to look for websites with top payouts. They have really, really high commissions, which is what these guys have. High converting, which is what these guys are. They give you all the landing pages and everything you need to make money with this particular method. They've got exclusive offers that are not offered anywhere else. They've got advanced tracking, and most importantly, recurring income. So you do make passive income from recurring commissions. But not only that, a lot of you guys are going to love this. You can find offers that are in multiple languages. So this isn't just for people that speak English and stuff. You might be from France or another country and you don't speak English very well. You can actually find offers that will pay you in different languages and possibly your language. So that's why I love this website. So the first thing you want to do is go to markethealth.com, and you want to go and sign up as an affiliate marketer. Go through, fill in the information and sign up. And they will take you through all the necessary steps you need to get your account started. Now, once you've signed up, guys, and been accepted, you'll come to a page like this when you log in. When you log in, you want to go to My Account and you want to go to Billing, okay? And in the billing section, it will say payment method, and there'll be there should be multiple payment methods that you can use. So we have bank transfers, we've got Pioneer, we've got check, Skrill, wire, or you can use PayPal, which is what I use. So you can get paid into your PayPal account from this particular website. Now, the next step, guys, is critical. You want to go to back to the dashboard here, and you want to go to offers and click offers, okay? Now, on this screen, let's just take a quick look at what's going on here. First of all, on the left, we have different languages. So we've got Belgium offers, Croatian, Dutch, we've got English, French, German, Hebrew, Italian, Polish, Russian, Spanish, and things like that. So if you speak these languages, you can actually promote these products in your language, which is really, really good. Down here, we've got different categories. So we've got skincare, email offers, men's health, weight loss, pet health, we've got cosmetics, we've got all sorts of offers, right? And then we've got the latest offers as well. So what I would recommend you do though is go to view featured offers. This means that these offers are making the most money at this point of time. So I'm going to go to view featured offers. Now, what we're going to do is there's actually multiple offers here. I'm not going to scroll down because I want to blank this one out. I'm not allowed this one in YouTube. But we are going to, the first step you need to actually do is find a product, right? We need to find a product that we can make money from. So in this example, we're actually going to use this product here, which is called Idle Lips CPA. Now, CPA means cost per acquisition or cost per action, depends on what website you're on. But we are going to actually, you just click on this button here or click on the CPA here, $50 per action. And we go to here and it's going to give you your affiliate link. So this link you basically use, if you go and put this link into a browser, it'll take you to this landing page here. And then what people do is they go through and they go and purchase this product. Now, a lot of you guys know that big lips is really popular now. A lot of girls and even men are wanting to go and get bigger, plumper lips. So this is the perfect product to go and make money from online. I'm going to show you how to get the traffic soon and how to actually make the money. But what I want to do is actually show you what you get here. So this is your affiliate link. This is the link that you send people to. When people go to this link, they will go to this page. They will put in their information. If they make a purchase, you will get $50, okay? You will get $50, which is a very, very high payout. All you need is a couple of those per day to make money. In fact, let's just look at the numbers real quick, right? How much money can you make? How can you make $500 per week with this particular product? Well, let's say you do 2 sales per day. That's $100. You times that by 7, you get $700. So that's $700 per week. However, we're going to bring it down to 500 because there might be a couple of days where you don't make 2 sales or whatever, or you might even make more than 700. But let's just say generally $500 per week. You could easily make $500 per week with this. Once I show you the traffic method, you'll understand how you can make $500 per week with this. You can even make $300, $400. You don't have to make a lot of money with this, but it does become very passive. So this is your affiliate link, guys. And if we go down, they actually have banners as well that you can use. Okay, they have banners you can use, and you can use that to go and send traffic to as well. So the most important thing now is how do you actually go and get the traffic to these offers? Now, before we do talk about that, guys, I do want to mention that don't get sidetracked with all these offers. Just pick one offer, and one offer that's getting lots of search traffic. So that brings me to the traffic. We're going to go and utilize Google. Google gets 40,000 search queries every single second on average. That's mental. Over 5 billion, nearly 6 billion searches per day. That's crazy. So we're going to utilize this traffic, and it's completely free traffic, and it's organic traffic, so it's high converting, and it becomes passive traffic as well. So what we're going to do is, if you go into Google and you put in how to get plumper lips, you've got all of these suggestions. If you go and put how to get bigger lips, you've got all of these suggestions as well. Best way to get bigger lips. We've got all of these particular suggestions. So what you want to do is you want to go and start a free website or a paid one. We'll talk about that in a second. And you want to go and create a website similar to this. Now, let me explain. What you want to do is go and basically do articles based on these particular topics, because people are actually searching this right now. They want a product that will enlarge their lips. You can do how to get plumper lips, how to get bigger lips, how to get enlarge your lips, how to get duck lips, or whatever you want, right? There's all of these search queries that people are searching every single day. And we want to go and put this product out there. Like if we click on this link right here, it takes us to that landing page, and that person that owns that website will get a sale. It's called affiliate marketing. So you've got 2 options. Number 1 is the free option. You can go to wordpress.com and you can start a free website, okay? Or the paid option, which I do recommend you do because Google will like you a little bit more, is go to a website called Bluehost.com. I'll leave a link below. In fact, I'll actually leave a free course below, completely free, no catch, that'll show you how to start your own blog online, completely free. Okay, you can go and get that below, start your own blog. I'll show you how to do it because we can't fit it all in this video. But I'll show you how to start your own website and blog so you can actually make money with this particular method, and I'll show you some other traffic methods as well. But option number 2, you can have a website for $3 per month and Google is going to love you more. And what you want to do is basically just get your affiliate link. So your affiliate link we have up here, you want to get your affiliate link, and then you want to go and create articles based on those topics that we were talking about and do similar structure to this. So someone's gonna go and search how to get plumper lips or idle lips review 2019. And in fact, that brings me to a secret that I'm going to tell you in a second. But you can actually go down and you'll see that they've got the affiliate link here and they make money. But a little bit of a secret that I want to tell you is you can actually go out and you can do something right now to get prepared for next year. You can do how to get bigger lips in 2020. The best way to get bigger lips in 2020. How to get plumper lips in 2020, because you're going to be the only person right now doing that because no one else is doing it. So Google's going to be like, okay, this article is about 2020. We're going to put it up there. You might not get a lot of search traffic now, but when you get closer to 2020 and in 2020, you will get a lot of search traffic. So that's what we do. We go and do these blogs based on these particular products, and then you can actually build these blogs out into huge blogs and promote other offers as well from these particular websites or markethealth.com. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is actually leave my free course below to go and help you build a blog. But not only that, I'm going to leave a free video up on the screen that'll show you how to build a blog as well. And also some more videos, a playlist on how you can actually go and do affiliate marketing and make money with these particular methods and make money online. And I would recommend you go and see these videos because there's more traffic methods, more offers, and it'll explain to you more in-depth tutorials on how to actually make money online with affiliate marketing. And don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.